Hey guys, ActiveCampaign remains one of the most powerful email automation platforms for turning leads into actual revenue. Here's how to use it effectively. Start by building your audience segments. ActiveCampaign's AI-driven segmentation lets you group users based on behavior, purchase history, engagement levels, and even predictive scoring. Now create automated email journeys. For example, a 7-day welcome sequence that introduces your brand, product, education series for new customers, a reactivation flow for inactive subscribers, a cart abandonment automation that sends reminders with dynamic discounts. ActiveCampaign's AI writes subject lines, analyzes engagement windows, and automatically optimizes send times so your emails land when your audience is most active. Integrate your store, Shopify, WooCommerce, or your CRM to trigger emails based on customer actions. Every visit, click, and purchase becomes a trigger. Pro tip, use ActiveCampaign predictive actions. The system intelligently sends the right email at the right time based on user intent, doubling conversions compared to manual campaigns. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next one.